My mom makes the best bread pudding, so I came down today and she's gonna show us how to make it.
Okay, I gotta spray the pan. The oven's preheated to 350. My eggs have been sitting out so they're nice and warm. My butter for the top.
How many eggs?
6.
6 eggs.
More if you want more pudding.
Are we gonna have a lot of pudding?
Yes,
Yay.
I like the pudding.
Okay, me too.
This is not an exact science. I just kind of make it up as I go. And that's the way all my recipes are.
I'm pretty sure I saw a recipe over there.
You saw a recipe that I wrote things down for your grandma because she didn't know how to make it. Everything's a mess. I need a cup of sugar. Actually, it's 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And beans, I don't have a cup. The 3/4 cup, I use a 1/3.
So you're gonna eyeball it to make it like 3/4 of a cup?
No, I'm gonna get the 1/4 cup.
Oh.
Okay, I need a dash of salt. I need half and half. I use heavy whipping cream, half and half, 1 can of Eagle Brand, and a can of carnation milk. I'm going to mix this up, the eggs and the sugar and the salt. I hate to top the cameras.
I think that's what makes it good, that's sweet.
Yeah, the sweet milk.
Remember
when I
what?
told Grandma that, she about fainted.
Oh, well,
She'd never heard of putting that in there.
oh.
But she didn't know how to make it either.
Well, now she does. Remember when our
does.
other grandma used to feed us that?
Yeah.
Or which one?
This one.
The pet milk?
Pet milk. She would sit outside the house with her Bible, her hanky, her flashlight, and her cup of warm pet milk, and she was waiting for God.
Did she drink that, really?
Yep. She always drank warm pet milk. Okay, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give or take.
That looked like a big teaspoon.
2 teaspoons of vanilla, give or take. This
Do you
one's
want
not
me to
open.
do it?
No, this one's not open yet. Let me get the one that's open. I knew there's one that's open.
Is it expired?
No, it's good till the end of February.
How much are you putting?
About 3/4 of a cup.
Hmm.
Gosh, let me go get that one too, because I don't think this one's open either. Has to be this.
Is that one expired?
Oh shoot, this one isn't the one that's open. No, this one's good till the end of February. I just bought them.
How many gallons of that do you have?
A lot.
I guess if I'm ever running low, I could come get some.
Yeah, if you can get it open. I can't get it open. See if you can open it. Oh, it's not open. I must have finished it this morning with my coffee. Thank
Wait,
you.
hold on. Let me get my camera.
Okay.
How much?
About 3/4 of a cup, I don't know. I don't measure. I don't measure most of my stuff. But you want to have a big wad of this stuff. Because I like to put them on the bottom. Okay, now, gotta cut it the bread.
Okay, so you're using 2 different kinds of breads?
Actually, I'm just gonna use this. I seem to like this one because I can't find the one that I really like down here. Grandma has it at her house, but I don't have any more of it. It's Greenie's bread.
I don't know that bread.
Well, it's really good.
I thought last time you added some of that kind of bread too.
I used to only use that kind, but I'm getting to where I like the raisin bread better because it's already got a little cinnamon, a little stuff. I don't like the crust, this crust on my stuff, so I cut it off.
I don't like the crust either.
I don't like it. And I use 7 or so slices. They're thin. Keep the raisins. This little bear, I've had it since you guys were little kids. You got it for me for Christmas one year.
It kind of needs nubs or something, or like a mat underneath. It moves when you use it.
Yeah, it does move, but that's all right. That's the way they used to be. I like it. I can grab it fast, and it's always ready to go. Give me the raisins back. Get the raisins. They're good.
Oh, I'm ready to eat that.
What, the crust?
No, the bread pudding. It was so good last time.
Yeah, it was.
So you're not going to add any regular bread?
No. I like this bread. It's got the raisins already in it. But I'm going to put some yellow raisins on the bottom.
Okay.
I'm going to mix it in with them. Only because I like the yellow raisins. They stay moister
Mm-hmm.
than the dark.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but it looks like I need maybe a piece or so more bread.
Where did you get this recipe?
My stepmother used to make it all
Oh,
the
this
time.
was one of Margaret's recipes?
Yes. And she would make me do the work, and she got the glory. Yellow raisins. But she always used the dark raisins.
Yeah.
I like the yellow raisins.
That's a shit ton of raisins.
Yep. Keep your regular.
I guess so. Can my chickens have that?
I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. What do you think? Should I add one more piece?
It's gonna swell up, won't it?
Yep.
Just leave it.
Okay. Yeah, this is a guesstimate because I couldn't. She was a hand cook also, you know, a pinch of this, a pinch of that. No recipes, just all in her head. So it's whatever you could remember.
Yeah. She didn't write anything down?
Nope, she didn't have to. She remembered all of her stuff. She made the best bread, the best rolls.
So what are you doing?
I'm mushing the bread down so it'll soak up some of the egg mixture because you want it to stay moist.
Oh. I might have done that part wrong.
That way it'll suck it up and okay. Now I'm gonna put this in there, inside here, and then I'm gonna fill it up with water. Because it has to have a water bath.
So is that called like a double
It's called a water bath.
water bath?
Yeah.
And it has to bake like that?
Yep.
It doesn't have to go all the way up to the top of the pan or anything?
Nope. As long as it's about halfway or more.
Okay.
Because it's going to cook for an hour. Give or
Okay.
take. 45 minutes, an hour.
Okay, I'll be back in an hour.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'll stay for a few minutes.
You're not going to clean up your mess?
Did I do all that?
No, but it's because of you that I did it.
Wow. Do you need me to put that in there?
No, I got it. I just need... Oh, rats. I want to move my heater without burning myself.
When do you put the butter on the top?
In a little bit. I'm going to put it in, let it cook for a minute while I... Son of a gun. going to get a pan, melt the butter, and then put it on. And then when it comes out, I'm going to put it on.
Oh, so you don't put it on now?
I put some, and then put the rest of it when it comes out of the oven while it's hot.
Okay. I'm going to walk around there. I'll do that. Clean it up. Mm-hmm.